Good morning, students. I hope that you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain some of the important concept of chapter data file handling. So let's move toward the first concept we are going to discuss in this video. Hello students, our today's topic is how to read from a text file. Dear student, in order to read from a text file, we use read function in Python. The read function in Python reads the entire file and returns its content in the form of a string. If size is mentioned in the method, then it will read specified bytes from file. If size is not mentioned, it will read the entire file contents. So dear student, read function in Python will read the entire file and returns its content in the form of a string. We can specify size also in read function method. If size is mentioned, then it will read specified bytes from file. If size is not mentioned, then it will read the entire file contents. Now I am going to give you a practical demonstration how to read and write in text file in Python. Open Python software, click at option file. Now I am going to give you a practical demonstration how to write and read from a text file. Line 1 equal to /n welcome to Python. /n. Line 2 equal to /n welcome to RMPS /n. F equal to open story.txt comma w. In here I am opening a file story.txt in write mode. F dot write line 1. This statement will write line 1 in file story.txt. F dot write 2. This statement will write line 2 in file story.txt. F dot close. This statement will close our file story.txt. Now again I am open the file story.txt in read mode. Now I am opening file story.txt in read mode. str equal to f dot read function. As you know, read function will read the content of the file in the form of string. So here read function will read the content of file story.txt and store in variable str. Now print str will print the content of file story.txt. F dot close will close story.txt after reading process is over. Now click on option save and choose option save as and save your program. Now click on option run and choose option run module. After executing the program code, the content of the file story.txt will be displayed in computer screen. I hope that you understand the concept how to write and read in a